Hello everyone, this is RK Master, and today I'll be showing you how to basically start your YouTube channel. Yeah, so I'll basically just show you how to start your YouTube channel in a few basic steps. So first, let's get started with YouTube. This is the home page. This is my channel. So from here, you can just basically see this is the videos page. Just show you all your uploads. You can sort by latest, most popular, oldest. Yeah, shorts, which is these videos. Let me just explain. So let me just open my mind for 1 second. So these videos have to be specifically edited into this 1080 by 900 vertical format, similar to how you see in other platforms such as Reels, etc. So yeah, these are completely different things that get shown differently. Let me just show you YouTube homepage 1 second. Yeah, so these are here. These will get shown here, whereas normal videos will get shown here. So yeah, let me just open my channel back. You can click on this to view your channel. Your channel. Then yeah, you have playlists. You can organize certain video sets into playlists. So like for example, I have all my Fortnite videos on one playlist. I have Minecraft on one playlist. Scary games on playlist. Yearly cast on playlist. Yeah. So now let's move on to the background part of YouTube. Click here, manage videos. YouTube Creator Studio. So first of all, you'll see your dashboard. Your dashboard contains things like current subscribers, ranking of videos by performance. Yeah, you can see in the first 1 day, 23 hours, these videos are this much. This is the average range. This is below. It's above. You can see published videos. Let's see comments, subscribers, latest post by you. Then YouTube provides some of its own stuff here. Then content, yeah, obviously we see stuff. Yeah, analytics is useful because you can see if you've improved, if you've decreased, or you can see like it's just about the same as usual. If I went below that, a number would say below the average, above average, something like that. So let's just show, for example, this video. 23 more than usual. See, it's showing me when I've improved. Let's use this arrow. Then I'll try to find underperforming video. 1 second. Yeah, so you can see 5 less than usual. Yeah, so YouTube will tell you where you're going bad, where you're going good. But you can see if you got more than usual, less than usual. Yeah. So this one, the reach. The reach shows you where your traffic is coming from. So let me just go to a more popular video. Give me 1 second. So we're looking at this video with 192 views. So from this reach part, you can see impressions, how many people the videos who saw the video on their home pages, as I mentioned before, home pages, stuff like this. So yeah. So where did they find it? Suggested videos, browse feature, YouTube search, direct, unknown channel pages, external sites. Yeah. Search terms which were related to your video. So for example, this is Spider-Man, Marvel Spider-Man. So if any search terms are related and which videos they came from. So you can see, for example, these are other videos. It's one of my other videos as well. So this is connects back to this. So yeah, Spider-Man games. So see, all of this connects together to show you like basically where your views are coming from, where your all this stuff's coming from. Next we have impression click-through rate. So after these 5.3k, how many more percentage of those people actually clicked on the video? Then we have views, as I showed before, views. This is typical performance, which is what an average video on your channel does. Let's like engagement. So engagement shows how long somebody actually watched the video. So average view duration 1 minute 28. So obviously this isn't that good because it's a 43-minute video. 1 minute 28 is not the best. You can see retention points, like where your things spiked, below, similar, and above. And screen elements. If you have unscreen elements, I'll show you in a later video. But it shows you where it's clicking exactly, likes, dislikes, average duration, audience. Audience is when you get more people you see, but it shows you exact. Let me just get a video with even more than this, like one of my highest viewed videos. Okay, so this is one of my most viewed videos. I really don't know why. Sometimes you just get those random videos which just blow up for no reason. But yeah, this is gonna be five. You can see it's gonna be 5 subscribers, a lot of watch time. It's one of the highest view duration ones as well. It's bigger audience. Oh, and this, okay, still not enough. No, yeah, that's unfortunate. But yeah, this is, it shows you where your things are, views are coming from. Subtitle language used. From subscribers, not from subscribers. And then unique viewers are how many people are new to your channel, how many new people have seen it. Returning viewers, how many old people have seen it. So you can see new viewers this much. Turning, yeah. Okay, this is the editor tab. So if you don't have your own editing software, actually I have my own editing software. You can do some basic level editing from here: cutting, blurring, trimming, etc. Subtitles. I haven't gotten them myself, but you can get subtitle tracks. Like you can transcribe your video, your script. You can add it here, and then when it's playing on the screen, it'll provide fully active subtitles. My videos have auto-generated subtitles. Copyright. Oh, what's this? You can see that. This is my own add-ons, TubeBuddy. So yeah, so this just we'll talk about TubeBuddy in a later video, but TubeBuddy is very helpful. So copyright. Let me switch over to another good example of video for this. Give me. So easy we can find copyright is book here. You see copyright. So let's just open this video. Copyright. So you can see where your video is being impacted. Obviously, this one doesn't have any impact, but it shows me the exact segment. YouTube is very strict on copyright. Somewhat overly strict, and it shows you in the video here. So like, see. Okay, so let's talk about some more things. Yeah. So earning on YouTube, this just shows you how eligible you are to earn. Obviously, I'm not eligible yet, but you can see. Customization is how you want to show your channel banner, channel logo, name this, description, URL, links, email address, video watermark. It's a bunch of personalization stuff. And so your home tab. So as you can see, let me go back to my channel. So let's just look at this side by side. Yeah. So yeah, you can see video title for returning subscribers. Obviously, I can't see that, but it'll play this. And then videos, popular videos, playlist, Spider-Man games, Roblox, created playlist, short videos, and future channels. So basically, it's just organizing your homepage. So say if I want to move shorts up for 1 second, let's just do that. Wait, let me just effect here. Let me just save. Save that. Yeah, so now shorts up on this. It's just basically organizing your that homepage, basically. So I now let's move into the meat and potatoes of YouTube. Let me just move this back a second. So we're talking about content. Okay. So let's just click on random video. Alright, so I just got in this random clip I have up for upload. Yes, sorry. Okay, it's processing still. But yeah, so let me just show you the basic features of upload. First title, let's just say, what is this? This is a skeleton clip. Skeleton clip. So if it slows up, 1 second. Why the hell am I so slow? Oh, skeleton? What the hell? So basically, yeah, what your video is about. In description, you can leave the description. I am a skeleton, whatever. Yeah. Thumbnail, you can. This is cool. You can generate a thumbnail from these three. It's not actually generation, it's kind of stupid. It gives you three options. But yeah, upload your own thumbnail, and then with TubeBuddy later on, we'll talk about TubeBuddy. You can use their thumbnail creation system. Playlist, whatever playlist you want to be in. We're putting this one. We have to declare this because of COPPA. You need to declare this. Yeah, see. So is it made for kids? Is it not made for kids? Age restriction. Yeah. These are more advanced. Do you want to restrict to audiences? Basically, yeah, it's for heavier stuff. Paid promotion. This you need to take as well. It's for reasons. Altered content. This is also a new thing on YouTube. Does your video include anything sort of AI or so anything that we could, be damaging to people? So, like for example, this one is not automatic chapters. This is just a cool feature. Automatic. Yeah, I know. I don't know what's this. So tags. Let's just say. So for tags, will basically whenever you search. Let me just go to YouTube again. So let's search Among Us. All of these videos are tagged with, most likely are tagged with the tag Among Us. So just click on one random one. I don't know if you can see tags here, but these will be most likely tagged with Among Us. So if we were to tag this with skeleton, when somebody searches skeleton, they will most likely receive this video or other videos tagged with the word skeleton, because YouTube knows when you search skeleton, when you search the word skeleton, this should show up. Let's just hone in Minecraft skeleton. Minecraft skeleton mod. So let's say these are our tags. So first it'll show for skeleton, it'll show for Minecraft skeleton, it'll show for Minecraft skeleton mod. Also, when somebody searches the video name directly, like skeleton clip, there's a high chance of showing up, even though that's not a tag. And then next we have a feature for our video category. So my category is gaming. So I'll click on something like here, game title. So this is good for gaming. So I click Minecraft. Whenever somebody searches Minecraft videos, Minecraft content, there's always a chance this video will pop up because it's in the Minecraft category. So next we have video elements. As mentioned before, end screens. End screens I can't show here, but it's basically like your ending thing when a video ends. Let me show you like this video. So after searching the video, I finally found an end screen. So as you can see, this is an end screen. So for example, you can have the channel thing here, and then you can have another recommended video. I'll just show you this in YouTube's thing. So after this is an example of how it looks like. So let's click on YouTube. Just exit here. Let's go to one month. Just click on this. Takes end screen. There is. Screen is here. Yeah, this is the end screen. You can put best for viewer, most recent upload. So this is on that is best for viewer. This is most recent upload, and this is subscribe notification. Yeah. So now I'll show you another good feature of YouTube. So let's just click on this, and let's click on something like visibility. Visibility is how you're gonna get your video uploaded. So let's click on public, and let's click on say like schedule. When will my video be available? So let's click on something like 8 October. Say 11:30 p.m. When it hits 11:30 p.m., the video will automatically upload itself. You do not have to stay up late and click on that exact time. No, it'll upload itself. So now I've talked about YouTube so much, it's time to move to editing software. My editing software choice is something called DaVinci Resolve. So DaVinci Resolve basically just allows you to take one of my clips, like for example some footage I have from one of my recent videos. I needed it, so yeah. So DaVinci just allows you to do a lot of stuff. So for example, let's see, you want to cut away here. Then you want to do it immediately when your next be open when the battle starts. So let's do this. And now we click here and look at this.
3, 2,
Immediately. And now let's see, you want to do something like zoom. So you can just click on something like here, video, zoom, and position. Then you want to click on this. Then you want to have zoom in on Chrome here. So yeah. And now I'll zoom. You want to stop the zoom here. Shake off here. Did you see that? Look at that. It feels almost natural. With that, like, full zoom. So there's a bunch of other things you do. For example, let me just pop in one of my green screens. And turn on my green screens.
I've been waiting for this.
As you can see, it kind of obstructs the video flow, but don't worry. Also, let me just show you something. Each thing in Resolve specifically has layers. So you have like a first layer clip, second layer clip, then you have your first layer audio, second layer audio. Let me show you a useful thing. If you click on this, you can link the audio, delink the audio, and this allows you to move them freely. For example, I'll just show you with this link clips. Move freely. Put the audio in the bottom limbo. So for now, okay, let's just show you how to move the background. So now I'm just click on green screen. So when you have something like this, you want to click effects. Specifically in Resolve is something called the delta key. Delta key. Click on your pick option. Pick options are working. You can click any like greenness. If you want the exact shade, you can search the exact shade. But now this background is hollow. So what this means is in our video.
I've been waiting for this. How about this?
That's how you remove a green screen in Resolve. So another useful feature I can show you is effects. There's a titles text. So you can have something like this. So we'll just write ABC. Then in our video.
I've been waiting for this. How about this?
You'll have that text floating around. Obviously this is good if you want some sort of text or something in your video. This is good for when you want to do some explanation, etc. etc. So this is some basic things that we show you about my stuff for Resolve right now. Oh, also one of my important feature. You can zoom in, zoom out, depending on how far you want to look into the work. But yeah, this is just some useful things I thought I'd show you. And thank you all for watching. I'll definitely improve my this guide as we go along, because I intend on teaching you a good amount of things about YouTube, so that you can start out like, and maybe have it not as slow as I had it, but maybe a little bit faster.